Every loaf of bread begins its journey in carefully cultivated wheat fields, where ripe grain is harvested at the perfect moment.
Freshly harvested wheat arrives at the flour mill, where strict quality control begins the transformation into one of the world's most important ingredients.
Advanced cleaning technology removes every unwanted impurity, ensuring only the highest quality wheat enters the milling process. Every shipment undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure only premium quality grain continues into the bread manufacturing process. Carefully engineered milling systems transform premium wheat into exceptionally fine flour, the essential foundation of every loaf. With every ingredient measured to exact specifications, powerful mixers create perfectly balanced dough that forms the heart of every loaf. The dough now enters a carefully controlled fermentation stage. Here, natural yeast slowly develops flavor. Automated dividing systems ensure every dough portion has identical weight, guaranteeing consistent baking performance and product quality. Careful rounding and resting allow the dough's gluten network to relax, preparing each portion for precise shaping into its final loaf. Each dough portion is carefully shaped into its final loaf form, creating the structure required for even proofing and consistent baking. During final proofing, controlled warmth and humidity allow each loaf to reach its ideal volume before entering the oven. Before slicing begins, each loaf is carefully aligned to ensure every slice is perfectly uniform from end to end.
The spiral cooling tower allows every loaf to cool gradually under carefully controlled airflow, preserving both crust quality and internal texture.
Precise temperature control transforms soft fermented dough into perfectly baked bread with its signature aroma, texture, and golden crust. Before packaging, the sliced loaf is carefully stabilized to preserve its shape and ensure every slice reaches the customer perfectly aligned.
Every loaf passes multiple automated safety inspections before moving to the slicing line, ensuring only products meeting strict quality standards continue.
Fresh bread must cool gradually before slicing. Controlled airflow allows excess heat and moisture to escape while preserving the loaf's texture and structure. As the bread leaves the baking zone, residual heat continues its final work before the loaf reaches the automated depanning system.
Before slicing, technicians verify that every loaf has cooled to the correct internal temperature, ensuring consistent texture and food safety.
Before each loaf is removed from its pan, the depanning system automatically synchronizes every mechanical component for precise handling.
The crust color looks consistent on this batch. Agreed. The temperature held steady according to the panel.
High-precision slicing systems produce perfectly even slices while preserving the bread's soft internal structure. Synchronizing conveyor speeds ensures each loaf moves smoothly between production stages without unnecessary vibration or handling. Even after leaving the oven, every movement is carefully controlled to protect the bread while it begins its cooling journey. The loaf is inserted gently into its package while preserving the alignment of every slice. While the bread begins cooling, every baking pan is automatically cleaned and prepared for the next production cycle, ensuring continuous operation.
Immediately after baking, each loaf is carefully removed from its baking pan without damming the delicate crust, preparing it for controlled cooling.
Each bread bag is individually opened and positioned with precision before the freshly sliced loaf arrives. The package is securely sealed and permanently coated, allowing complete traceability from production to the customer. Robotic handling systems carefully pack each loaf into shipping cartons while maintaining gentle product handling and consistent arrangement. Every packaged loaf undergoes automated inspection to verify weight, sealing, labeling, and overall presentation before shipment.
Stretch wrapping secures every carton into a stable shipping unit capable of withstanding warehouse handling and transportation.
Each shipping carton is securely sealed, coated, and prepared for automated palletizing before distribution. Finished cartons are stacked by robotic palletizers using carefully programmed patterns that maximize stability during transportation.